Your certified most accurate four-zone weather with meteorologist Jeanette Calle.
All right, we're less than 24 hours out from it really getting nasty and hitting. Do we have a ballpark of time for folks who want to make some last minute run out HEB or something like that?
So I would say starting at about 6 o'clock this evening, we have to pay close attention. 6 o'clock this evening through midday tomorrow.
Okay.
That's when we expect to see some of that winter weather to start to move into the area. Now the Arctic air is here. We're seeing temperatures this morning that are in the 20s, wind chill temperatures in the teens. And just know that that Arctic air is not going away until the middle of the week. We'll start to see some patchy light rain or sleet as early as 6, 7 o'clock this evening. Then a wintry mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain tonight. Tomorrow morning, this will end as a bit of snow or ice. And yes, we are expecting some ice accumulations and snow accumulations. Because of this winter weather, there is a winter storm warning. That's for areas along and east of I-35. That's from 6 o'clock this evening through 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. This is where we expect those accumulations. Winter weather advisory for the Western Hill Country and the Western Zone. Expecting some accumulations there, but not as much as where that winter storm warning is. And that winter storm warning extends to the east into Louisiana and portions of Mississippi and Alabama. Right now, it is quiet across Texas. In fact, nice and clear across central and south Texas. Little cloud cover across far north Texas. And you can see the clouds that are developing across northern and northeast Mexico. We're going to see a surface area of low pressure moving towards the Texas coast, and that is what will likely bring in the Gulf moisture on top of the cold air that's in place. Just some light snow showers across portions of the panhandle of Texas right now. Also a bit of rain, a bit of snow there over western portions of the northeast. Rain in deep South Florida. Let's take you through the day. So I do expect mostly clear skies early this morning. We'll start to see some clouds building as we get closer to late morning. And I think we're going to be cloudy starting at noon and for the rest of the day. Later this afternoon, after 3-4 p.m., there could be a shower or patches of light rain. And then once temperatures get closer to freezing, I do expect some sleet or maybe even some patchy freezing rain as we get into the night tonight. And this computer model is showing you that winter mix in the pink and purple farther south. That is all rain. This will continue through at least tomorrow morning, and then by midday tomorrow, this all moves away, and we're looking at much drier weather for Tuesday afternoon. But the cold stays. We're going to have a hard freeze here into Wednesday morning. Future ice accumulations across the area. So anywhere between 1/100th of an inch in San Antonio downtown, that's inside of Loop 410, but outside of downtown over the north side could see up to 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulations, and that's also the case across the east. This could create some icy travel on the roads, bridges, overpasses, some roads. And if there's ice that builds up on power lines and trees, could be dealing with some power outages. Snow is in the forecast, and this is what we're seeing in terms of snow accumulations. About a coating to an inch plus from San Antonio to the east, lesser amounts farther to the west. That area of low pressure will be near the coast. That's why we expect to see those highest accumulations closer to the coast. So a recap of the snow, sleet, and ice. In this area here, the snow and sleet, a coating to 1+ inches, ice between a trace to 1/10 of an inch. Highest accumulations across the east. Monday forecast, so mostly sunny early this morning. As we get closer to the March and noontime, clouds increase, still dry. This afternoon, a slight chance for the rain showers, 38 degrees. Tonight, a 70% chance of that winter mix, and then a 50% chance of that winter weather tomorrow morning before we dry out. 20 degrees Wednesday morning, 47 in the afternoon. Still very cold Thursday morning. Temperatures rebound going into the weekend.